everyone, welcome to our book that is Knowledge World, a course book of general knowledge of class 4 by Seraphic Era Publications. Hello everyone, let's begin with a new chapter, that is chapter number 36, Around the World. In this chapter, we will read some points about the pictures and then we will mark the answers for the same. And they are just the tick the correct option. So let's begin with it. So the first picture we have of another sort of a Catholic church placed over here, and it says which is the smallest country in the world and the center of the Roman Catholic Church. Is the answer Russia, Vatican City or Germany? And the answer for this is Vatican City. The next is area wise, which is the largest country in the world? Is it China, Brazil or Russia? And the answer for this is Russia. Third is which is the largest Catholic church in the world? Is it St. Peter's Basilica, St. Basil's Cathedral or Notre Dame Cathedral? And the answer is St. Peter's Basilica. Next we have the sixth one here. Where is the United Nations headquarters located? Is it in New York City, US, Paris, France or London, UK? And the answer is New York City, US. Then the seventh question here is which is the most populous city in the world? The options are Tokyo, Japan, New Delhi, India or Dhaka, Bangladesh. And the answer for this question is Tokyo, Japan. The next is eighth one. Which country is known as the land of kangaroos? And the option are Singapore, New Zealand and Australia. And the answer is Australia. The fourth question is that when is the World Environment Day observed? The options are 5th June, 30th September or 13th January. And the answer for this question is 5th June. Then we have the fifth question. When was United Nations established? The options are 3rd September 1939, 28th August 1911, 24th October 1945. So what is the correct answer? The correct answer is 24th October 1945. Then we move on to the ninth question. Which city is the capital of United States of America? And the answer for this question is Washington DC, San Francisco or New York City. So what is your answer? The correct answer is Washington DC. Then we move on to the last question, that is the 10th question, and it says which is the largest democracy in the world? Is it China, India or Indonesia? And the answer is neither China nor Indonesia. The answer is India. So this was all about the chapter. I hope you have understood and liked the video. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.